We got 60, we got freaking 25 guys. Let's push, let's go. Get up that hill, let's go. There's 25 guys here, come on.
We get time. Guys, we have a medic. If he dies, stay here. We have a medic.
Where's the medic at?
Right here. This
Okay.
guy. All black.
Okay, awesome. Awesome.
Hey, we got a medic? Hey, we need to go get the minigun all the way up in front of the barrier. You see him? Run down this one right here. You got the minigun at the barrier. We need him up.
Where are the shooters, guys? They know we're here. Call it
We
out.
got north side up here.
Yep, yep.
And then we got the south side of Castle. Both sides.
All right.
Hey, minigun's up. Let's go.
Push it, push it, push it! Everybody, 10 meters, let's go! To the next cover!
I stood up and there's like a long
Hit! Hit!
Hit! Oh, shit, dude. We got medic! Oh, don't push us! That's fine. We got medic! We got medic! Oh, medic! Call it out! Medic! Medic! Here we got contacts.
And I just threw smoke up there. It should mask us. We got to pick the targets out, guys. I'm going to get my headshot off. That's the yellow base up there, I think.
Huh?
Pump barrier. On your name.
What's up?
You want a grenade? No, not yet. Is that our tank or their tank?
That's our tank.
Okay. Boys.
Dude, I don't even know what's going on, so.
We're pushing for the yellow fire base. We do not have control of it. And it's just beyond us here. It looks like they changed it. Because this is black here. So yellow's going to be up this way, guys.
Looks like Black Castle's got some contacts.
If we can get in there.
Yeah, it's going to be a...
Hey, man.
Hey.
How you doing?
You guys see the pin tower right there? Who's at point? Who's pointing? That's the black pin tower right there. Are they, is that our guy on the box? Where? Where? Yeah, I see him. A lot of help in there. Hey, do we have the pin? Do we have the pin? No, hit! That was friendly! Damn it! Medic, right behind you.
Medic! Medic!
You're hot here. You're hot here.
What's up, guys?
The targets are right off to my right flank.
I'll give you permission to shoot him.
All right. I gotta get out of here. Take a look. Black base is secure. Say again, we got the black base. That's 4 of them, guys. We do not hold yellow. We do not hold tan. And we do not hold green. The rest we have.